Sharing a Google Pay link and earning money is a simple process that involves referring friends to use Google Pay. Here's how to do it. Open Google Pay. Launch the Google Pay app on your smartphone. Ensure you're logged into your account. Access the referral program. In the Google Pay app, tap on your profile icon or photo at the top right corner. Look for the Invite Friends or Referral Rewards option. This may also be found under Offers or Promotions. Generate your referral link. Tap on the Invite Friends button. Google Pay will generate a unique referral link for you. You can copy this link or choose to share it directly via various communication channels like WhatsApp, SMS, email, or social media by tapping the respective icons. Share the link. Share the referral link with your friends, family, or anyone you think would benefit from using Google Pay. Encourage them to download the Google Pay app using your link and complete the required transactions, such as their first payment. Earn rewards. Once your referral signs up and completes their first payment or specific transaction requirements, both you and the referred person will earn rewards. The rewards can be in the form of cashback, discounts, or other offers, which will be credited to your Google Pay account.